Today is day 9 of photo organizing secrets, and today's secret addresses the question that we get often: how do I know what date this picture was taken in? Here at Pixologie, we use the age chart to help us date old family photos. Hi, I'm Molly, and so excited to be here sharing the secrets that we use at Pixologie every day to get family photos organized for our clients. It is so challenging to figure out the dates of some photos, and often people want to know, well, what do they do when they don't know the date? Let's talk about the age chart that we use here. It's really a simple tool. You list the children in your family across the top and the years down the left-hand side. And then you fill in for each year and child how old they were and what year in school they were. And using this information can really help you fine-tune your organization overall. So let's just take this photo here for an example. It actually is a photo of me, and I know the exact date it was taken. But if it was someone else that was in front of this birthday cake, I would simply look at the cake and look at the number of candles on it. And I would see there's 10. So I'd go to the age chart and look at when this girl turned 10. And I can see it was in 1982. There we go. There's a photo that I can slide in with the 1982 photos I've already organized. So the age chart is really handy, and you can make this easily at home. I've got a link where you can download a document that has it in there that you can edit for your own family. Now, sometimes your family photo collection is much more extensive than your immediate, children. So you might need to have additional dates written down, and you can use the same principles and organize other photos by having those dates handy. That's the quick tip on how to date pictures. But what do you do with photos that you don't know the date on and you really can't figure it out? Well, usually we're able to say what decade that photo falls in. So we'll have like a 1980s undated section, or unknown date 1990s, something that just tells us, all right, these pictures are from a certain decade and we don't know the date specifically. And that helps us at least segment those photos out for consideration later. Or sometimes we just scan those sections, and if it's only a couple hundred pictures, that's really manageable to look through them digitally later. So don't fret too much and get bogged down when you don't know the date of a photo. We don't want you being slowed down and frustrated. Just put it in an unknown section, and there is going to be photos that we don't know the date on, and that's okay. The bigger picture is that we're organizing the photos, and the majority of them will be organized by date. So that was secret 9, and I am really looking forward to tomorrow's secret, where we share how you can get a printed photo book done in the same day. All right, see you tomorrow.